Hey guys, welcome to our channel Shorthand Dictation with Neha. So today we start the dictation on 80 WPM within a 3 second. So guys, start करने से पहले please press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start. 1 2 3. Sir, a new feature is being introduced in the Companies Act which was never there before, neither in the Companies Act 1913 nor the Companies Act 1956 or the various amendments that have been made since 1956. Only an abridged form of the profit and the loss account and the annual report will be sent to the shareholders and or the payments of fee. He will be entitled to get the full report as he is of fee he will be getting now if the honorable minister look into the representation from various shareholder association over the years. You will find that every the existent requirement of information to be provided to the shareholder is not enough. In fact, shareholders association have already represented that the information given to them should be much more specific. In companies which have got various division, it should be division wise. There are a lot of other features which they have pointed out from time to time. Here we find a bill which have been obstinately brought to protect these very small shareholders and depositors which take away every the existence right being give to them. It is very serious matter. It cooperate functioning as we have seen over the last few years. I may venue to say that every the such committee recommendation have become a little out of date because in the last 5 years, especially after the government has to come power, there have been searches in the operation of the cooperation sector. This particular act, which is the main act governing the administration of the companies in the corporate sector, cannot be effectively in spirit of over 600 section and a vast army of effective companies or law administration officially all over the country. The small depositors and the shareholder will always be left at the mercy of a certain government or a certain department. For instance, in spite of all these power which the company law board enjoy, this particular amending bill say that certain power will be shifted from the high court to the company law board. It make no difference the ultimate authority in the government. The company law board will be executing its decision through the government. Now, I would know if the company law is effective, then how we got massive case of planning the investigation are totally taken for a right. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.